This lesson is focusing on simplifying fractions. Now, a fraction is in simplest form when the greatest common factor of the numerator and the denominator is 1. So my first example is going to be to simplify the fraction 36 over 54. So what you want to do first is you want to ask yourself, what are the common factors between 36 or 54? Or what's a number that can be easily divisible or evenly divisible by 36 and 54? So both of these numbers are even, so I know 2 can go into both of them. So I can say 36 divided by 2 and 54 divided by 2. Notice what you do to the numerator, you have to do to the denominator. So 36 divided by 2 is 18, and 54 divided by 2 is 27. Now what you have to do is ask yourself, is there any common factor between 18 and 27? Well, I know 3 can go into both 18 and 27, so I'm going to divide the numerator by 3 and the denominator by 3. So I can say 18 divided by 3 is 6, 27 divided by 3 is 9. Now I can say, is there any common factors between 6 and 9? Well, I know I can take out a 3 again. So I can say, I'm going to just rewrite 6 nines here, is that 6 divided by 3 and 9 divided by 3. Notice what I'm doing to the numerator, I'm also doing to the denominator. 36 divided by 3 is 2, and then 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now, are there any common factors between 2 and 3? Well, the only common factor between the two of them is the number 1. So I know that that number is in simplest form. So again, all you have to do in order to simplify fractions is to take out the factors that they have in common. Now, I'm going to show you one other way to simplify this fraction and doing it super fast. So what you can say is to simplify 36 over 54, if you can recognize that 18 can go into both 36 and 54, for example, because that's my greatest common factor between 36 and 54, then you could just do this in one step. 36 divided by 18 is 2, 54 divided by 18 is 3. So 2/3 is 36 over 54 in simplest form. Notice how I got the same answer, 2/3 over here. So you can simplify a fraction in one step, like I did here, or if you're not as good as finding greatest common factor like we did in last lesson, then you are welcome to keep pulling out common factors until you get to simplest form. Well, that's my lesson on simplifying fractions.